Welcome back to Renko Trading Channel, your go-to resource for all things trading. Today, we're diving into the world of Renko charts and learning how to read them like a pro. If you're new to Renko charts, don't worry. We'll break it down step by step. Let's get started. My name is Carl. You are watching Renko Trading Channel. First, let's briefly discuss what Renko charts are. Unlike traditional candlestick charts, which are based on time intervals, Renko charts are built using price movement. This means that a new brick is added to the chart only when the price moves by a specified amount, filtering out the noise of minor price fluctuations. Here you can see a Renko chart. Each brick represents a set price movement, making trends easier to spot. Now, let's learn how to read these charts. Renko charts are made up of bricks. A new brick is formed once the price moves a predefined amount, known as the brick size. If the price moves up by this amount, a green brick is formed. If it moves down, a red brick is formed. Notice how the chart only updates when the price moves by the brick size. This helps in filtering out minor fluctuations and focusing on significant price movements. One of the main advantages of Renko charts is their ability to highlight trends. An uninterrupted series of green bricks indicates an uptrend, while a series of red bricks indicates a downtrend. Here, you can see a clear uptrend marked by consecutive green bricks. Conversely, this series of red bricks indicates a downtrend. Spotting trend reversals is crucial for successful trading. In Renko charts, a trend reversal is often indicated by the appearance of a brick in the opposite color. For instance, after a series of green bricks, a red brick suggests a potential downward reversal. This red brick following multiple green bricks signals a possible trend reversal, indicating it might be a good time to consider selling or taking a short position. Just like with other chart types, identifying support and resistance levels is key in Renko charts. These levels indicate where the price tends to find a floor or ceiling. Here, we've drawn support and resistance lines on the Renko chart. Notice how the price respects these levels, often reversing direction upon reaching them. As you start using Renko charts, keep these tips in mind. Set an appropriate brick size. The brick size determines the sensitivity of the chart. Too small, and you'll see too much noise. Too large, and you might miss important moves. Combine with other indicators. Use Renko charts alongside other technical indicators like moving averages or RSI for a more comprehensive analysis. Practice on a demo account. Before trading live, practice reading and trading with Renko charts on a demo account to build your confidence. For example, here we've added a moving average to the Renko chart to help identify the overall trend direction more clearly. That's it for today's guide on how to read Renko charts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!